I was actually diagnosed with depression about 4 months before I was laid off. The job had just basically torn my spirit. I was working at a corporate in the DC area, and I was a graphic designer for 10 years, and then the last 2 years I was there, I was digital asset management. So every morning when I would get up and get ready to go to work, I usually got up at 5:30. I would work out at home and then gotta take the dog for a walk for about 45 minutes. In the last year, it was like, oh my God, I have to go to work. I would literally dread going to work towards the end of my 12 years there. The last year I was there, they decided to restructure again, and they actually laid me off the week before Christmas in 2018. I was exploring different opportunities and trying to figure out what my next step was. I was looking for something else to do, and I came across Virtual Savvy. Throughout the webinar, there was no promise of this is what you can do in 3 months. It was more of like, I'm offering you some kind of structure to get your business going, but you have to do the work. And that's what really sold me. Being able to have somebody give me some kind of guidance and be able to take it and own it through that. So when I started the Virtual Savvy, it was just one of those things where I was like, well, am I actually going to be able to do it? I've never run a business before. It was just making sure I had a good support system around me in person and in Facebook. The Facebook group was amazing and supporting, but it is scary going into the unknown. But it was just one of those things where I felt like as long as I had people like rooting for me, I knew I could do it. I just started building my brand together and coming up with what things I could offer to my future clients. There were so many things I was capable of doing. I just needed to put it together in a package. I've been creating my own path, and that's what I love about Virtual Savvy is that I still use the foundation that I started with, and I brought in graphic design, and I am bringing on a new part of my business, which is a focus on inclusivity and accessibility, because I am deaf, and that was a main thing for me. I want online business owners to be more inclusive and accessible for everybody, regardless of what kind of ability you have. I have to work 10 times as hard to comprehend everything that a normal hearing person would. So that was important to me, to be able to have the same access as everybody else. What I have now that I didn't have before was just this excitement. Like, I am so excited about what I'm doing. I feel like what I'm doing is making a difference. My husband, he knows that this is something that we both needed in our life. Like, he recognized that this is where I need to be. He's a huge supporter. He actually got me one of my favorite birthday gifts. He gave me the Ann ampersand. He said, you are constantly Ann. It just has so much meaning to me. I'm not just an employee for a company. I'm a woman. I'm a deaf business owner. I am making people aware about accessibility. I am all these things. You are so much more than just being a wife, just being a sister, just being a mom. You can be as many Ann as you want to be, and Virtual Savvy will help you get there. Hi, I'm Erin Perkins. I'm creatively carving my own path.